Discover a compelling reason to let go of worry as we delve into 20 timeless facts about the rhythmic nature of life, according to the wisdom of Alan Watts. The light, the smell, the sound, and motion of the sea has been pure magic. If ever I have to get away from it all, and in the words of a Chinese poet, wash all the wrongs of life from my pores, there's simply nothing better. Although the rhythm of the waves beats a kind of time, it's not clock or calendar time, it has no urgency, it's timeless time. I know I'm listening to a rhythm which has been just the same for millions of years, and it takes you out of the world of relentlessly ticking clocks. There's no marching with them in a notion of waves. It harmonizes with the breath. It does not count our days. It's the breathing of eternity. The distinction of sky and water becomes uncertain when the whole of space becomes opalescent, a sort of pearly luminous gray. Birds against fish, fish against fish, tortuous process of life continuing by the painful transformation of one form into another. Skillful beyond all other animals, by being able to think in time, man dreads the alien germ long before its banquet begins. Dying to yourself, you will become alive as me. There's no way of getting around it, is that being alive at all is the same thing as eating crabs. Seabirds are transformations of fish, men are transformations of wheat, chickens, and steers. To object to this inseparability of pleasure and pain, life and death is simply to object to existence. Objecting to pain is pain. They enjoy life when they're eating it and hate it when being eaten. Man, with his astonishing ability to stand aside from himself and think about himself, in short, to comment on life, has done something which confuses his own existence down to its roots. Perhaps the ghastly mistake was just that step in man's evolution which made it possible for him to comment, to reflect upon life as a whole. In being able to stand aside from life and think about it, he put himself outside it and found it alien. Isn't it then rather an enormous relief for us men to see that the plant and animal world is no problem to itself, and that we are wasting intellectual energy in making moral judgments about it? Our personal identity is entirely on the side of the commentator. We seem to feel that the thing which knows that it knows is one's essential self. Now we know that the ACT molecule cell of any particular organism is what it is by virtue of its place and its membership in the pattern of the whole. This is why I love the ocean. It's the most difficult part of nature to mess up with emblems and symptoms of man's dissociated consciousness. It's an environment in which the awareness of our roots can awaken.